Hello everyone, welcome to the course How to Build a Website. This course is exclusively brought to you by Academio. I am glad to know that you are interested in web development and website building. This course has been designed for you to create a website using WordPress in just 1 week, even if you have no experience with web design. However, if you would like more time, you can. Here are the course details. The course title is How to Build a Website and the course code is ACD295. This is the introductory video for the course. As I told you, it has been designed for people who are absolutely beginners in the field of web development and have no prior experience at all. In the coming videos, you will learn briefly about how the internet works. After that, we will start gathering ingredients for the website that you want to make. Further steps include determining a domain name for your website, picking a general theme, and then articulating the purpose of your website. Once all of this is done, we will move on to the next steps. Once you start following the course videos, I encourage you to provide feedback in the comments. You can also share your own experience. I look forward to seeing you make phenomenal websites. Do not forget to like and share this video with your fellows. Subscribe to the channel would be really phenomenal as well. Do follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. This is Academio signing off.